So we have the close grip cable seated row. Now with every back exercise, it is so important that you engage with your elbows. So something that I like to use as an example, as if somebody were to hold onto your wrist and you were trying to pull them back towards you. Most people will use their hands to initiate the movement, which is incorrect. You will not be able to maximize the engagement with your back. So focus on rowing with your elbows. You can even have somebody grab onto your wrist and practice that motion. Grab onto your wrist and then think about engaging your elbows to row them back. That is what this exercise should feel like. So for the close grip, we're gonna use this attachment right here. If this is taken, you can also use 2 single handles and use them as your close grip attachment. Now, a tip that I find helpful to improve your engagement with your back is actually putting your thumbs at the top of the handle rather than grabbing with a normal grip. So my thumbs are going to be top right here and pressing into the top of the handles. That actually helps me engage my back a lot better. So you're going to put your feet against the pad, take your grip, thumbs at top, scoot yourself back. Your legs don't need to be completely straight. You can have a slight bend so that you can brace your feet against the pad. Now you want to make sure that as you bring yourself forward, you get a slight stretch in your lats here. Sometimes you'll see people completely lean forward here. That's just because they're getting a full stretch in their lats, which is this muscle right here. So as you lean forward, it's okay if you round your back. If you find there's pain, then just focus on hinging at your hips while keeping your shoulders tucked back. But neither way is right or wrong, whatever is most comfortable for you. So I personally like to get a stretch in my lats, so I will round my back at the top. And then as I row back, again, initiate that movement from your elbows. Keep your shoulders down, so make sure they're not shrugged up. Press them down. Engage the movement with your elbows. Keep those elbows right by your side and squeeze your lats and your back at the back portion of the movement. Slowly bring that weight back. I like to get that stretch and then row back. Shoulders down, chest open, squeeze those lats, slowly bring the weight back. So notice I said chest open. The difference between keeping your chest open and closed is going to look like this. This is a closed chest, which we don't want. This is an open chest. Shoulders back, chest out and open. So get a full stretch and then out, open chest, squeeze those lats at the top. Slowly bring it back. Now the tempo that I want you to use, bring that weight back on a 1 second count, hold it at the back for 1 to 2 seconds, and then slowly bring it back on a 2 to 3 second count. And then as you bring it back, you're gonna exhale. So here, exhale, 1, 2, and then inhale. Slowly bring it back on a 2 to 3 second count. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Again, the entire time I'm thinking about using my elbows to row back. My hands are really just on the handles as an attachment, but the hands really are not doing any work. They're there just as hooks, but it's my elbows that's doing all of the movement and the pulling.